Welcome to New Brand Car, where we explore the world's most innovative vehicles. Today, we bring you the 2025 Toyota Motorhome van, a masterpiece that redefines road trips and nomadic living. Let's dive into what makes this vehicle a game-changer. The Toyota Motorhome van is a blend of utility, comfort, and technology, created for adventurers and travelers who seek more than just a destination. Born from Toyota's reputation for reliability and performance, this motorhome combines cutting-edge automotive engineering with the comforts of modern living. Its invention stems from the rising demand for compact, efficient, and sustainable travel solutions. Toyota has taken this need to the next level with a vehicle designed to cater to global travel trends. This motorhome is particularly popular in countries where road tripping is a lifestyle, such as the United States, Japan, Germany, and Australia. These markets have embraced the concept of the Toyota motorhome thanks to its superior performance, fuel efficiency, and adaptability. Toyota's strong global presence ensures it is widely available with a network of dealerships and service centers, making it accessible and dependable. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Motorhome van is powered by a hybrid engine, combining electric and fuel technologies. This results in impressive fuel efficiency, delivering around 40 miles per gallon, which is exceptional for a motorhome. The vehicle's performance doesn't stop at fuel economy. It features a smooth transmission, adaptive cruise control, and responsive handling, making long drives enjoyable and stress-free. Whether cruising highways or tackling rugged terrains, it offers a balanced driving experience. Its capabilities go beyond just being a motorhome. This vehicle is equipped with all-wheel drive, ensuring stability in varying weather conditions. It also includes a towing capacity of up to 2,500 pounds, making it ideal for carrying additional gear. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate its robust suspension system, designed to handle challenging paths with ease. The interior of the 2025 Toyota Motorhome van is where the magic happens. Imagine stepping inside and finding yourself in a space that feels more like a cozy apartment than a vehicle. The living area features a spacious sofa with a fold-out function, perfect for lounging or hosting friends. Above, skylights flood the space with natural light, creating a bright and airy ambiance. The kitchen is fully equipped with a compact refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, and sink, offering everything you need to prepare meals on the go. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area is designed with a sleek foldable table and seating for four, providing a comfortable spot for meals or working remotely. At the rear of the motorhome is the sleeping area, featuring a queen-size bed with memory foam for maximum comfort. Storage compartments are cleverly integrated into the design, ensuring you have plenty of room for your belongings. The bathroom is a standout feature, complete with a compact shower, toilet, and sink, all designed to make you feel at home no matter where you are. Toyota has left no stone unturned when it comes to key features. The 2025 Motorhome van includes advanced safety technologies such as lane keeping assist, collision detection, and 360-degree cameras for easy parking and navigation. Its infotainment system is state-of-the-art with a 15-inch touchscreen, voice controls, and connectivity options for seamless entertainment and communication. Pricing starts at approximately $75,000, which positions it competitively in the motorhome market. Given its features, durability, and the trust associated with the Toyota brand, it offers tremendous value for money. One of its standout selling points is its versatility. Whether you're a solo adventurer, a couple, or a family, the Toyota Motorhome van adapts to your needs, making every journey memorable. The 2025 Toyota Motorhome van isn't just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle choice. If you're ready to explore the world without compromising on comfort, this is the ride for you. Thanks for tuning into New Brand Car. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest automotive innovations. Until next time, happy travels.